Well, do you feel like you're constantly telling your kids to turn the music down?
Sometimes. High volumes day after day could cause permanent damage.
Dr. Lewis first tells us how much noise is too much and what you can do to prevent it in this week's First with Kids.
Parents have been shouting out for hints as to how much loud noise is too much loud noise when it comes to their children listening to loud music. Well, let me lend an ear and some advice on this topic. 1 in 6 teens have noise-induced hearing loss due to not turning down the volume. So how loud is too loud? Well, we measure sound in decibels, and normal conversation is 60 decibels. It's when the decibels get over 85, which commonly happens when earbuds and headsets on audio devices are listened to by teens, that temporary or permanent hearing loss can occur. Temporary hearing loss can result from exposure to loud noise at 85 decibels or more for 15 minutes or even less. This type of hearing loss is often accompanied by ringing in the ears or a sense that your ears are full. Usually, these sensations go away within 12 to 24 hours of taking off the headphones and stopping the loud noise exposure. If this practice continues, however, for longer periods, day after day, permanent hearing damage can occur, characterized by your children noting that voices sound muffled and they're having difficulty following conversations in a noisy environment. So what should you do about this? The most practical suggestion is to encourage your teens to turn the music down. Some smart audio devices or music players now come with volume limiters that limit the amount of decibels the volume can be turned up to. You might teach your children the 60% 60-minute rule, meaning listen to music or a video with earbuds at 60% of the maximum volume for not more than 60 minutes. You can also have your children ask others if they can hear sounds coming from the earbuds in their ears, and if so, they need to turn the volume down to reduce their chance of ear damage from loud noise occurring. If you think your child's hearing may be a problem, don't hesitate to have it tested by their healthcare professional to see if a referral to a hearing specialist is indicated. Hopefully, tips like these will make just the right amount of noise when it comes to knowing how important it is to protect your child's hearing from loud noise exposure. This is pediatrician Dr. Lewis First from the University of Vermont Children's Hospital, reminding you to always be first with your kids.
If you have a question for Dr. First, just send him an email. The address is firstwithkids@mynbc5.com.